today's video, I don't know what the hell this thing is. It's gonna punch a hole in that fucking thing. Enjoy. Today we're gonna be installing this. Here are the instructions. I already opened the box and scattered it all over the place. That's this fucking, it looks like a Sylvia 180 type of car. Yeah, whoever designed this and approved the design is fucking awesome. Alright, now we're in the car. There, that's my dad. He's trying to do something for his boat. He's gonna punch a hole in that fucking thing. So I'm thinking I'll put the thing like right around here, and it's gonna go like this, in through this, and go in here. Then no. Right here. I got some tape on there. In this box should be some zip ties. Boom. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's my dad murdering a velociraptor in the driveway. Now I have to put this thing on there like that. So let's see if it even fits, sort of. It'll fit like that. Ooh, holy shit, look at that. Fucking fits perfectly. It's the wrong way around. And I need to still plug that in. And I'm gonna have to pull this shit out and probably crack more plastic because I'm pretty good at that. Let's see if it gets off. Yay, it's out. It'll be equally as hard to put back in, probably, but fuck it, it's out. Where's everything going? That is the grounding wire. This one goes, this is ACC. I don't know what the hell this thing is. Then all the way at the end of it is this thing that plugs into the ETC reader. Now, I need to check and see which one is ACC, which means accessory apparently. So it's the one where you turn the key on and then it gets power. So it's not constant power from the battery. Now, I'm trying to use this thing to check which one is the ACC. I have absolutely no idea, except for the fact that maybe it's the red one. Gonna do that, and then turn the key on. Ooh, fuck yeah! Look at that, 12. It works. Now that this is in question mark, stick it right here. Boom, like that. So just need to peel this off. Don't do it like that. There we go. Totally not gonna wipe down the surface or anything. I'm just gonna feel it with my hand. It's not that bad. And then just go like this. Push real hard on the plastic so you can hopefully break it. And then that should be all set. That'll be it for the ETC reader install. I will see you in the next video.